Guess what happened? I just have my Palatine rose showed up at my door with no shipping notification, with no tracking. It just showed up. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you. And this is the first time. I think this is a free gift that they bring it to us. And they call it a fragrance wheel or something like that. I think it's a very sweet thing. This is last year the Palatine rose actually I sell the bare root rose, so I'm quite kind of sad, but hey, it is what it is. I love their roses. I wish the best for them, whatever they are trying to do. I wish them the all success. And let's go to our boxing. How they look like after I get them out. Looking so good as usual. Let me untie them. And I will let you know what I got this time. I got a lot, I got all out. I got lots of roses that I want to replace. So if I want to replace something, might as well be Palatine roses. And of course, I know for sure they're gonna look really, really good. Okay, just give me a second. I'll be back. There you have it. All 28 roses here. Let's check out what we have right here. How about that? Let's do it. And most of them have lots of cane. So first one right here, this is Forever Rose. This is actually a Palatine breed rose. This year since this will be the last year that I can get their rose, so I mainly focus in getting the Palatine breed rose because you cannot get it anywhere else. This is Papa Melan. Always want to try this. And then I have, this is I can't say this name. Gashwin Shorty. I think this is a Cardass rose. Look at this. Look at the branches on this. It's crazy. Wow, just so big. Okay, and then I have here is the Princess de Luxembourg. Also very thick cane. And then I have here Gashwin Orden. And this one also has lots and lots of cane. And I think this is also another Cardass rose. This is crazy. So many cane. I never have a barrel that many cane. This is really, really superly duperly crazy. And then I have, this is Dreamland. Dreamland, I think, is also another Palatine rose breed. And for Iris, okay, I think this Iris is a Cardass, if I'm not wrong. And then this is Sweet Baby. Sweet Baby is tawny. Look at that. Gosh, so tawny. That baby is very sharp. This is Obadi. This isn't actually pretty small. It's not as big as the other, but still quite a lot of cane. There are 4 canes there. Also very tawny. And then Adorable Parfuma. Adorable Parfuma is huge. Look at that. You see that? They all have very, very long cane. And the next one is Amorosa. Amorosa is a Cardass also. I can tell you my favorite right now is Cardass, because they are just so much more easier to take care of, very much healthier. And this is Tango for Two. I think Tango for Two is also Palatine. And then we have Blue Girl. This Blue Girl is not your Cardass Blue Girl. This Blue Girl is actually the Palatine Rosa Blue Girl. So I saw some picture before and they look really good. Not the few petal Blue Girl that you get from Home Depot or Lowe's. So I'm really looking forward to this one, just to see how it looks like in person. All right, now let's move on. This is Peach Melba. Look at that. Crazy. You see that? Lots of cane again. And I have manja. Manja is a single petal rose. There's almost no tone to it. Look at this. I don't, this is pretty incredible. Maybe I can finally have something I can grow at the front where the walkway is. Manja is because it's a single petal rose. I just think it's very cute, so I'm just gonna see how it looks like. And then I have, this is Bliss Parfuma. Bliss Parfuma is also very, very big. That. And then I have Flora Chloronia. These are also not a lot of tone. I like roses. It's not a lot of tone right now. Much easier to maneuver between them. This is a melon spear. I have actually a melon spear, but it was so weakened it doesn't do much. So I was suspecting if it's a rootstock is no good. So I'll get another one from Palatine just to try again. Give it another chance because I like the bloom a lot. And then this is Red Eden. My Red Eden dead, so this is a replacement. I just love this rose so much. Let's hope it will do better on this one, because the other one, I'm not sure why it just declined 1 year and then it just died for me. The dieback is just crazy on that one, so not sure what happened. Dimitri Worostocky. That is a super long cane. I don't know, I might need to cut or some cross cane or something like that. And then I have the Dark Desire. Dark Desire is quite a common rose. I just want to see if it's on the multiflora rootstock. Will it be growing a little better? Because it can be quite a lot of black spot in our area. This is Rossi. Rossi is supposed to be like they call it a patio rose, so it's like a small rose that you can grow in a pot and put it at your patio kind of thing. So we shall see. You can see how well branched this rose is, and very, very thin cane as well. So I don't think it will grow big. And then we have what is this one? Rosen Fascination. This is a monster size, y'all. This is so tawny, so tawny, so big. All right, let me move. And I have Sweet Jane. Okay. Sweet Jane is pretty thin cane. Probably not something that is big. Alright, Paul Neron. You know, I love Paul Neron, but Paul Neron doesn't love me. Okay? So this is the third time I'm trying it, okay? It just died on me the last 2 times. So hey, if it died on me on the multiflora rootstock, this row is just no go for me. Okay, this is the last time trying it. And then I have Meteor. Meteor is, I think it's an interesting color. It's a very, I would say, how to describe it? Peachy, oranges, kind of the looking roses. So I like colorful roses nowadays. The white one or the pink one sometimes it just fades so bad by the sun. So, and this is Fabienne, French girl, also tawny, but it doesn't look too bad. So there you go. There you go. So this is all I got. I cannot wait for them to start growing and show you the video of individual roses, because there's lots of new one. Now there is something I want to talk about. Okay, do you see how long are these roots? So sometimes when the roots are this long, people might say that you need to dig a big hole so that you can plant the entire roses in there. I would say you can actually trim your roses. Do not go too crazy, but you can, like for example, you can trim it this much, like this much. You can see that. So it still has sufficient root, and sometimes by trimming the root, it can help to wake up the roses, or help to actually stimulate root growth as well. So definitely you can do that. Okay, so gonna go soak them in my pond. Hopefully they can all fit in my pond. I don't know, we shall see. All right, I will talk to you all soon. Bye.